Cerritos is a surf colony, surf town, located just 45 minutes out of Cabo San Lucas for those that aren't from here, and just 1 hour and 15 minutes from the international airport.
But 3 times a week, we could do it 2.5, 3 weeks. But they're gonna wanna see 10 consistent videos for trust you. And then that first week that you don't post, it starts over, just like Card 75. So one of the biggest challenges that I see, and you guys heard some amazing stories from some of my clients, they all came to me with like, a video every week and then no videos for 2 weeks. And then 2 videos is 1 day and then no videos for a week. And 3 videos for 1. They were so inconsistent. I'm like, wow, where's your button? And like, when I'm posting, you're like, no, you're not. They're the same videos. They're not anything different. We didn't do anything special. But then we're doing some viral content also, and so if I haven't studied it in a while, but I did it first. We looked at this big first viral video. Into the next day, got 23,000, that's 50,000, 300,000, and another 30,000. Then 23,000, 300,000, and another 40,000. Like we could see the halo effect happen on the video. And then also some of the old videos started jumping to 2,000 or 3,000. And I was like, oh, look at it. The old videos, YouTube's pushing the old stuff up.
Hi, my name is Cindy Iverson. I'm with Ronival Real Estate in Cabo, San Lucas, Mexico. I think my biggest takeaway today is to stop overthinking things, quit worrying about what you look like on video, and just get on the camera and help people find the lifestyle that they're looking for.
Hi, I'm Megan Myhouse, and this was such an amazing seminar. So I learned things that I already knew but just were re-emphasized. Consistency with YouTube is the most important thing. I also learned that doing not only 1 video but then 2 and then 3 exponentially grows your YouTube channel. So I'm working on going from 2 videos a week to 3 to 4 videos a week so that I can grow my channel.
Hola, Kirk Iverson here, team lead at Cabo Lifestyle Homes, powered by Ronival Real Estate here in sunny Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. We are here at this fantastic event. I'm so very blessed to be here, learning about putting ourselves out there. And my biggest takeaway is to just be real, be raw, tell it like it is, speak the uncomfortable things that most agents don't want to talk about, but just put it out there, educate people, sell the lifestyle, and make people's dreams come true. So, yeah.
I'm real estate advisor Leah Courage, and I'm from Washington State in the United States, a little ways north of Seattle. And today we were talking about YouTube and talking about the most important piece of it, which is be authentic. Be yourself and lead with value. Whatever you do, no matter what you're talking about, remember, when I make my videos, it's not about me, it's always about my audience. So whatever the subject matter is on YouTube that I'm talking about, I'm not thinking about myself, I'm thinking about them and what they want to know. And we're so happy to be here in beautiful Cabo, and the best thing about this is getting to meet all of these absolutely amazing people. So thank you for having us.
Hi, I'm Leti Rivera, and my today's takeaway is how to start doing my YouTube videos. And they don't need to be perfect, they just need to be relevant and be there.